mapupuntahan mo in just one travel. Alam mo ba that Sara Leia Travel and Tours has already launched our 2025 destination from January to June. So, meron na kaming departure monthly. So, magkano nga ba? Pag-uusapan natin. Sabi ko kanina, 3 bansa ang mapupuntahan nyo in just one travel. Yung first destination natin, pupunta tayo sa Bangkok, Thailand. And the second destination natin, pupunta tayo sa Cambodia. And third destination natin, pupunta tayo sa Vietnam. How many days? Sa 3 bansa, ilang araw ba? 7 days and 6 nights, 3 bansa na yung mapupuntahan nyo. Ano-ano nga ba yung kasama? Of course, kasama dito yung round-trip airfare from Metro Manila. Kasama din dito yung 7 kilos hand carry baggage. Round-trip airport transfer, kasama na. Meron tayong Filipino tour guide na makakasama nyo doon sa mismong araw ng tour ninyo. Of course, sasamahan kayo hanggang pagdating ninyo sa Bangkok, Thailand Airport. At the same time, kasama na din dito yung 6 nights hotel accommodation, yung tour ninyo, city tour and other attractions na pwede ninyong puntahan during the 7 days, 6 nights na travel ninyo. Kasama na din dito yung daily breakfast. For only 14,999 down payment, mapupuntahan na ninyo yung 3 bansa. Total package of 49,999, but huwag kang mag-alala kasi installment yan, besh. Pwede mo siyang bayaran 60 days before departure. Again, this is Miss Sara of Sara Leia Travel and Tours. For full details about this package, message Sara Leia Travel and Tours Facebook page or visit one of our branches. Just inform our team that you want to join our 2025 tour package. Good luck!